In this video, I wanna talk about how to plot displacement plots and how to scale them up so you can see deformed shape very well. Sometimes it happens that the displacement is very small, so it is not visible in the viewport. So you can scale them up to uh, to the viewport so that you can see the deformed shape. Scaling doesn't mean that it scales the displacement values, it just scales the viewport, it doesn't scale up the results. And also I want to talk about how to display the viewport without edges. Right now you are seeing the viewport with mesh. Sometimes it happens that the mesh is very refined, quite refined, so the results are very fuzzy, it doesn't look nice. So how you can disappear these edges so that your contour plot looks nice. Right now I am in this viewport and I have selected from here the primary variables, and for displacement plot the symbol is capital U. Okay, if you want to plot magnitude ux, the displacement in the x direction, displacement in the y direction, and displacement in the z direction. Before demonstrating anything, let's increase the font size of the text in this viewport. Okay, so these texts are visible very well. So let's go to viewport and click on viewport annotation options, click on state block. Okay, now click on set fonts. Now from here you can increase the font. I'll choose 14, bold style. Font type I will keep it as it is, and I will check these boxes so that this setting applies to all the fonts appearing in the viewport. Now I will click OK so that it can apply. Here we go. So we just increase the font. I just have described how to plot displacement plot. Okay, how to plot displacement contour plot. So this is contour plot. Now you will see that the displacement is quite small. Okay, so if you want to rotate it, you can rotate it and view that a very slight displacement is visible. Okay, let's say you want the displacements uh, to scale up to that value that it is visible very well. Okay, right now it is not visible very well because if you rotate it in this view, it is very small. Look at this. Okay, so you can scale it up. To scale it, can go to options, common, click on uniform and put it something like 3. Okay, let's apply it. Look at this. Now you can see that a more dip has been created here. That means the displacement values has been scaled up. Okay, this scaling doesn't mean that it scale up the results, it just scale up the values in the viewport so that you can view it, uh, you can realize it visually. Okay, it doesn't change the values in the actual results. Okay, so it's just for viewport, nothing else. So this is how you scale up so that you can view very well it. So there's one more thing I want to describe, that I don't want to show these messes. Okay, so let's go to options, common, and here you can choose no edges and apply. Look at this. Okay, the mesh has gone. So this is how you make disappear the message so that the visual plot, the color plot looks nice, it doesn't look fuzzy. Okay, right now you are looking at the viewport and the color plot. You realize that there are lines. Okay, this is not continuous color plot. Okay, this is discrete color plot. So how to make the continuous plot? So let's go to options and contour, and here you can choose continuous options and apply it. Now this is a continuous plot, so it is, it doesn't show the lines or bands. Okay, so it shows the plot continuously. And this is how you plot displacements and increase the fonts and continuous contour plots and the contour plot without mesh and so on. Okay, so I think this is quite helpful for you, and thanks for watching.